All right, our DMR number 2. So Jamie's at the local sub shop that's located at -9, -8. She has to walk home from the sub shop. Her house is located at -9, -13. How many blocks does Jamie have to walk to get home? So there's a couple ways we can do this. We can take a look at these, or we can use this graph here that we do have provided for us. Let's put the sub shop at -9, -8. So go 1, 2, -3, 4, -5, -6, -7, -8, -9, and then -8. Also, what I can do is -9 is that x coordinates, and then -8 is that y coordinate, so on the y-axis. And wherever they cross, there's where the sub shop will be. Alrighty. Then the next one, let's do an orange. So her house, -9 is that x-axis. So again, -9. And -13 is the y-axis. So there we go. All right, so now that we have those plotted, let's see how many points away they are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 units. So they're 5 units away, or I should say blocks. So I should say blocks in this case. 5 blocks. And that's going to be it for the DMR number 2. If we weren't given this graph, we could have lined them up as so. So we could have -9, -8, -9, -13. And the -9s are the same, so they're going to go off into the sunset. We are going to take a look at -8 and -13. They're both negative, so they have the same sign. So if they have the same, subtract. So 13 minus 8, we're going to take the absolute value, remember. 13 minus 8 is going to be 5. And look at that. We got the same answer. So that's it for our DMR 2. Great job.